here.
No, what the? Hello, my name is Hannah Archer, and I'm here to tell you some of the benefits of owning a dog. Most families in America own a dog, but do they know all the benefits that come along with their furry friend? From big dogs to teacup dogs, working dogs to lap dogs, they can all bring certain pluses into your life. Having a dog in your home can benefit your mental health, physical health, sense of security, and feelings of comfort. The first benefit can be seen in your mental health. Owning a dog brings some mental health benefits. Psychology Today reports on the University of British Columbia's study to see the effect of therapy dogs on students. They gave 246 students the opportunity to pet and cuddle dogs. The students were surveyed both before and after their session with the therapy dogs. Those who chose to play with the dogs reported significant decrease in their stress level, along with increased happiness and higher energy levels following the session. Even 10 hours later, students still reported slightly less negative emotion and less stress. Now, not all of us have time to interact with therapy dogs every day, so people have also done studies on working with studies between families and their dogs. And they show that interacting with the dog, whether yours or a familiar one, can reduce stress. The American Kennel Club says that according to a study conducted in the 1980s by Aaron Katcher of the University of Pennsylvania and Alan Beck of Purdue, that playing with a dog or even just petting a familiar dog lowers your blood pressure, heart rate, slows your breathing, and relaxes muscle tension almost immediately. Research shows that dog ownership reduces stress hormones, and the effects usually outweigh stress caused by caring for the dog. Owning a dog can help manage symptoms of depression. By caring for another being, you get a sense of purpose and drive to get out of bed every day, which is sometimes difficult for people who struggle with depression. Dog owners who have been diagnosed with clinical depression aren't likely to be as depressed as others who are. A study in Japan in 2009 found that just staring into your dog's eyes raises your levels of oxytocin, also known as the love hormone. Other studies have shown that owning a dog can alleviate depression, and this is especially true for adults. The second benefit can be seen in your physical health. Owning a dog can improve your physical health. Your heart health can be positively increased by owning a dog. The American Journal of Cardiology published a research about a study of 369 heart attack patients one year after they were released from the hospital. A year after they were released from the hospital, the patients who owned dogs were more likely to survive. So after those 369 patients were released from the hospital, the people in the study checked back up on them and found that if the patient owned a dog, they're more likely to survive their recovery and live longer. And LifeHack reports that pet owners who are male usually have an even higher reduction of heart disease. They can also keep you in shape. By having a dog waiting by the door for a walk or to go outside, you are less likely to skip today's workout or I'll go outside later. By just taking a 30-minute walk a day, it can improve your health greatly. Dog owners have been said to walk an average of 300 minutes per week, while non-dog owners walk an average of 168 minutes a week. That's almost half of a dog owner. And seeing eye dogs can also help more impaired owners around the house. The third benefit can be seen in your sense of security. Owning a dog can improve your sense of security. By just having a dog with keen hearing or a sense of smell, they can increase your feelings of security in your home, and if the dog is a barker, it can also deter burglars. The Anxiety and Depression Association of America says that, quote, pets provide a sense of security and routine that provide emotional and social support for their owners. And I personally know of a dog that wakes her owners up every day to make sure they take their medicine on time. The last benefit can be seen in their ability to comfort. Owning a dog can bring you comfort. Dogs have been known to be empathetic and comforting. This is one of the many reasons that there are so many therapy and service dogs. They can sense our emotions and sometimes even our medical issues. Karen Gersberg recounts that when her dad was battling cancer, her dog brought her the most comfort. Every day, they would take a walk in nature and sit down, and she said that her dog always knew what she needed at that moment, whether it be a distraction or just a comforting presence. Having a dog in your home can bring many improvements to your life, namely help with your mental health, physical health, sense of security, and comfort. Thank you for your time, and these are my sources.